Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make some slime, and here are the ingredients we need. Shampoo. I'm using Palmolive shampoo, some toothpaste, your mixing tool, and I'm using this steering one, and your bowl. So basically that's all you need, and now let's get straight into the video. Okay, first you're gonna get your bowl and your shampoo, and you're just gonna open your shampoo and put some in here. It depends on how much amount you want for your slime. So here's mine. Then you're gonna take your Colgate, or I'm using Colgate. You can use any kind. Okay, basically that much will work. Okay, then you're gonna mix it. You can see that some are coming together, and I can see it's getting thicker. So I'm just gonna zoom that out. So guys, I'll get back to you guys when I'm done. Okay guys, I added some more toothpaste and shampoo, and I'm just gonna mix it. So guys, basically now I'm just gonna be putting my lid on, and I'm gonna be putting this inside the freezer. In there for like about 10 to 20 minutes. So I'm gonna put my slime for 15 minutes at the freezer. So see you guys later. Okay guys, basically here's my slime, and I've been already putting it for 15 minutes, and here is my final there. So let me just get my mixing tool. Get here. I know it's getting blurry. Wait. You guys, never mind this one. Let's just focus on this one. And now, here's my consistency. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Sorry. So here's my consistency, and as I just noticed and realized that it became thicker and it became more watery, so I'm just going to be adding some more shampoo. Okay guys, I added more shampoo. It's right here, and I added toothpaste there. Now let's stir. You don't want to add too much shampoo at a time, and now is the perfect time to add your coloring or dye. I want to put purple at mine. Actually that's violet, but I'm just going to call it purple. I'm just going to dip my mixer in there and put it there. Now I'm just gonna put this back. Then stir. So if you're using paint, make sure not to add too much because it might ruin the consistency of your slime. So I'll just keep on stirring, and if it's not working, just add more shampoo and toothpaste, and I'll get back to you guys when I'm done. Okay guys, now here's the consistency, and it's not ready yet, but I'm gonna let this sit for 1 to 2 hours, so I'll get back to you guys later. So guys, the slime is ready, and I'm not sure yet because I haven't touched it. I switched it on another container before I let it set for 2 hours. So now let's try to poke it. Okay guys, it's sticky, but still when you poke it, nothing, but it's stretchy. Okay, it's just sticking like that, and I don't know why. Okay. I don't know why it's sticking. If yours is sticking like mine, just add some more shampoo, but only a tiny amount. There, I can poke it, but it's still sticky. So thanks for watching guys. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. Bye.